In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute notifications in Skool. If you're feeling overwhelmed by pings and pop-ups, this quick walkthrough will help you take control so you only hear from Skool when it truly matters. Start by heading to your profile picture in the top right corner of Skool. This small menu is your gateway to personal preferences. Click it and choose Settings. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Notifications. This is where you fine-tune what Skool alerts you about and how often. On the Notifications page, you'll see simple toggles for different types of alerts. These typically include posts, comments, likes, and DMs. Think of each toggle as a light switch. If you don't want to be alerted about new posts, turn that switch off. Prefer not to get notified about likes? Switch that off too. Comments and DMs each have their own controls, so you can mix and match to suit your focus. For example, many people keep DMs on for direct conversations and mute likes to reduce noise. You can choose whatever combination keeps you productive without missing what's essential. Below the in-app alerts, you'll also find settings for email summaries. These are the digest-style emails Skool sends to keep you updated. If you'd rather not receive these at all, set the frequency to never. That single choice shuts off the summaries, so your inbox stays clear. If you change your mind later, you can always come back and adjust the frequency again. One of the nice touches here is that changes save automatically. There's no separate save button to hunt for. As soon as you toggle something off or choose never for email frequency, Skool applies that preference. You can navigate away at any time knowing your updates are locked in. A few helpful tips as you fine-tune. First, consider which alerts genuinely help you take action. Turning off the non-essential ones can reduce distraction without disconnecting you from your community. Second, remember that muting notifications doesn't remove content. It simply stops the alerts. You can still check in on your own schedule and catch up when it's convenient. And finally, don't be afraid to revisit this page. As your workload or priorities shift, your ideal notification setup might change too, and it only takes a moment to adjust. That's all there is to it. Open your profile menu, go to Settings, click Notifications, toggle off the alerts you don't want, and set email summaries to never if you prefer a quiet inbox. Simple, fast, and tailored to you.